Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix your Sky Max router that is not connecting to the ports in 2026. So first of all, you need to make sure that your Sky Max hub is fully online before pairing the port. So the port won't connect if the hub doesn't have any active internet connection. After doing so, you just have to simply place your Sky Wi-Fi Max port into the same room as the Sky Max hub during the initial setup. Just wait for a few minutes for the port's LED to stop flashing. Once it is connected successfully, you can then move it to the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Now, if the port never connects, you can just simply unplug it from the power outlet for about 30 seconds. Then you can plug it back in and allow it to restart. After doing so, you can launch your Sky application on your phone and you can check whether the port appears under the Sky Wi-Fi Max devices. If the port is still showing you offline status, you can restart the Sky Max hub first, then wait until the broadband light becomes stable and then you can reconnect the port. So you can try this process and you can keep these simple things in mind in order to basically connect it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.